Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can run storage analysis to track your memory on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and I'm going to show you two methods to track our memory. The first one, you can open up your file application on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This is my files application and I'm going to open it, and to run a storage analysis we can scroll down until we find the manage storage option. Click on that, and then here you will get your storage analytics. Okay, here you can monitor your memory, and as you can see guys, my internal storage is 51% used. And if you want to get the details, you can click on show more. Okay, and this is the details. And the second one, you can go to your setting, open up your setting, and you're going to go to the device care. Oops, select the device care, and you're going to select the storage, and here you'll be able to get your storage analytics. Okay, and just do the same, show more, and you will get the details. And then you can go to the memory to monitor your RAM. Wait guys, that's loading. Okay, and as you can see, my RAM is 2.6 gigabyte available. And you can free up your memory by stopping background apps. Just click on this clean now option like this, and hold on. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is my RAM now. And then I'm going to give you tips to free up your space. You can free up your space by deleting the app data or app cache. You can go to the apps menu and select the application, one of the application on your Android mobile phone, your Samsung Galaxy phone. For example, I'm going to select CapCut application, and I'm going to go to the storage, and here we can clear data and clear the cache of the application. Wait, I'm going to select the other application, for instance Google Docs. Go to the storage and click on clear cache and clear data. Okay, and it will help you to to free up your space on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to run a storage analysis to track memory on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.